Ever found yourself struggling with packing your suitcase efficiently? Well, today we're tackling one of the most common packing dilemmas: how to fold pants for travel. In the world of travel, mastering the art of packing can significantly enhance your experience on the road. Today, we're focusing on folding pants, a technique that can save you space, minimize wrinkles, and keep you looking sharp throughout your journey. So, what do you need to get started? Just a pair of pants and a flat, clean surface. Start by laying your pants flat on the surface, smoothing out all the seams and turning any pockets inside out. This simple step can help you reduce the risk of wrinkles and ensure a neater fold. Next, fold one leg over the other, aligning the seams and hems as closely as possible. This step transforms your pants into a neat, long rectangle. If your pants have pockets, tuck them in next. This maintains that sleek, flat shape and also minimizes the chances of any bulges when packing in a suitcase. Now fold in the sides towards the middle, one side at a time. This creates a compact, easy-to-stack shape. Depending on your preference and the space available, you can either roll your folded pants for a more space-efficient packing method or lay them flat for a more organized suitcase. But that's not all. Here are a few extra tips to take your pants folding game to the next level. Consider the fabric of your pants. Lightweight fabrics can be rolled more easily, while thicker fabrics might benefit from a flat fold. Plan your outfits in advance and fold your pants accordingly. This makes it easier to grab what you need without disrupting your entire suitcase. Invest in packing cubes. These handy accessories can keep your folded pants organized and separate from other items in your luggage. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to fold pants for travel. With these simple steps, you'll be packing like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and tricks. Happy packing and safe travels.